felt the air rise up in me, kneel down, clear the stone of leaves.
So I'll start off with the bars. We got Wethepeople Mad Max in chrome, and a cut down. They used to be like maybe like that wide. Now they're like 26 or 27 inches with the blue ODI long necks with the flanges cut off. Just cause, I don't know, they're more, the flanges kind of give me rashes around here, and yeah, so I just cut them off. They're a little worn out, but besides that, I really recommend them. The ODI bar ends, salt, 50mm reach stem, black, of course. Salt headset, doesn't really matter. Salt forks in orange. Salt female hub with a kink chromoly peg. Same with the back. And I used to ride 3 pegs, but I recently learned how to smith on this side, so I don't really need it anymore. I caught shipping rim in black with a Mike Aitken tan wall tire. Really worn out. I've had it for like 9 months. I have to cover it with like duct tape because the nylon showing because of how worn out it is. So I'm trying to get money for one, but kind of broke right now. With some random spokes, I don't really care. Of course, the Wethepeople Trust frame in orange. Animal cush sheet, pivotal with a crappy pivotal post and clamp. Shit. Salt cranks really worn down with the clap pedals. A salt sprocket, 25 tooth with a 9-tooth driver in the back, and another salt hub, and a clat chipping rim as well with a Aaron Ross tire. Yes, I painted the tan mole on myself because I'm really cheap, but I'll give you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Now let's give you a sound of the hub.